The Overseas Pakistanis in Thailand Foundation, OPTF, was established in 2019 with the vision of creating a strong support system for Pakistanis living in Thailand. The organization was officially registered in 2023 under the leadership of Mr. Rana Shahbaz Ali, President and founder, together with Mr. Babar Badshah, Vice President and co-founder. From the very beginning, OPTF has been dedicated to welfare, unity, and community service, focusing on providing essential assistance to overseas Pakistanis while also building a positive image of Pakistan in Thailand. Our mission is to serve overseas Pakistanis with dignity, care, and compassion. We strive to create a foundation that supports our community during times of need, promotes cultural and sports activities, and strengthens the bond between Pakistanis and the people of Thailand. Over the past years, OPTF has been actively involved in a wide range of welfare programs, including supplying meals to poor and needy individuals within the Pakistani community and beyond, regularly delivering food and essential supplies to Pakistanis in Thai jails, arranging funerals for Pakistanis who passed away in Thailand and whose bodies could not be repatriated to Pakistan, ensuring they are honored and buried with dignity, organizing the International Pakistan Cricket Day Cup tournament, celebrating Pakistan's passion for cricket, hosting the International Hockey Tournament, promoting unity through Pakistan's national sport diplomacy, launching our very first golf tournament in 2025, creating new opportunities for cultural exchange and networking among overseas Pakistanis and the Thai community. Miladi Mustafa Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. A very important part of OPTF's community work is the annual organization of Miladi Mustafa Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Each year, OPTF brings the community together to honor and celebrate the blessed life of our beloved Prophet Muhammad Mustafa Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. This spiritual gathering aims to spread knowledge about the teachings, character, and sunnah of the Hazrat Muhammad Mustafa Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, strengthen the faith of overseas Pakistanis and instill Islamic values in the Muslim younger generation. Recitations of the Holy Quran and speeches highlighting the Prophet's message of peace, mercy, and compassion for all mankind unite the Pakistani community and Thai Muslim brothers and sisters in an environment of love and respect for the Prophet. Through this annual event, OPTF not only keeps the connection with our Islamic identity alive but also shares the universal message of the Prophet Muhammad, a message of peace, brotherhood, and humanity. We are proud to introduce the dedicated members of OPTF, who are the backbone of our foundation: Mr. Rana Shahbaz Ali, Mr. Babar Badshah, Mr. Safed Khan, Mr. Zahid Arman, Mr. Mohsin Raza, Mr. Shahbaz Furqan Bhatt, Mr. Shahid Zamil, Mr. Farhan Mahmood, and many more member and Thai Pakistani community who's supporting to the OPTF. As OPTF continues to grow, our aim is to expand our welfare activities, involve more overseas Pakistanis in social, cultural, and religious programs, create long-lasting partnerships with Thai organizations. Through welfare work, sports, cultural events, and religious gatherings like Miladi Mustafa, we believe in building a strong bridge of friendship between Pakistan and Thailand while taking care of the spiritual, social, and community needs of our members abroad,